We are one of Turkey's leading plastic film producers. Since 1994, we have been manufacturing BOPP and CPP films in our facilities in İzmir Atatürk Industrial Zone. With 3 plants and a total annual capacity of 200,000 tons of BOPP, 42,000 tons of metallized, and 18,000 tons of CPP film. We believe that the combination of high production capacity, a very broad and specialized BOPP CPP product portfolio, a corporate culture built on total quality and continuous improvement, really differentiate Polibak, and this makes us unique in the market. At the core of our business success are long-standing collaborations with well-known international brand owners, a solid export-driven strategy, and our dedication to quality, innovation, and sustainability. We continuously invest in the state-of-art technologies such as our 7th BOPP line, which has positioned us as the second largest BOPP capacity in Europe, as well as high barrier and eco-friendly film solutions, while aligning with global sustainability frameworks like Science-Based Target Initiative. Brückner is one of our key technology solution partners and has played a significant role in our growth story. Together, we have implemented several high-performance BOPP lines, including an 8.7 meter and more recently a 10.4 meter wide, 600 meters per minute speed giant line in our İzmir plant, which has greatly increased our capacity and efficiency. In addition, Brückner's film stretching and inline coating technologies enable us to produce high barrier and high quality films that meet demanding requirements of our customers. We have been working closely with Brückner for more than 10 years as one of our key partners for film production lines. They managed our projects end-to-end from the initial concept phase through startup and continue to support us with comprehensive lifecycle services. It all began in 2014 when we made the investment decision to better meet our customers' growing demands and expectations. Following very detailed feasibility studies and market research, we decided to collaborate with Brückner on our project. Their global service network ensures us we are never left without support. They provide not only advanced machinery, but also comprehensive global after-sales, spare parts logistics, upgrade paths, and local presence. Beyond that, they provide engineering expertise, financing guidance, digital solutions, and ongoing upgrade options. So more than simply supplying equipment, they help us achieve ongoing performance optimization and reduce operational risks. Our relationship with Brückner is reliable, sustainable, and solution-oriented.